This is a property restoration project. There's a pile of material mixed with limestone, concrete, miscellaneous garbage that was excavated out of the canal and put into a pile nearly 50 years ago to make room for property development. We were hired by the village of Crestwood to come in and process the material, sort it, and crush it into a saleable product for use on road projects and parking lots. My name is Bill Pavin with IM Crushing, Manager of Operations. The village of Crestwood wanted someone with some experience in the crushing industry to process the material rather than just haul it off to a landfill. We started operations in September of last year. It's a 2-year project with approximately 1.5 million tons to be produced and moved off the site within 2 years. We have a 3055 jaw crusher, 6x20 portable JCI screen plant, 7x20 dual JCI portable screen plant. And the impact crusher, the material has a lot of silty dirt mixed into it. When they blasted the canal, they didn't strip any of the overburden, so the overburden got mixed in with the limestone. We're able to run the material through the grizzly feeder, drop all the dirt out, and pre-screen the material before it hits the secondary plant. We pre-screen the dirt out over a slotted self-cleaning screen on the 6x20 screen, and then all the clean rock goes forward from there to the dual screen plant. From there it goes to the impact crusher, which makes a fairly clean product that we're able to use in commercial applications. The variety of raw feed, going from big chunks of limestone to steel and scrap metal and a fair amount of concrete that's in the pile. So we needed 2 really good magnets to pull the steel out, and we have no complaints about that. We haven't had any damage to the impact crusher since we started, and the magnets really are doing a good job for us. Most people are surprised when they see what we're putting in the plant, how clean it comes out the other end without any type of wash equipment, and we're able to make a quality product. This year we're budgeted for 680,000 tons. About 35% of that will be engineered fill, the dirt that we're screening off. We're able to sell that to environmental jobs because it has been tested. There's no contaminants in it. We've exceeded the expectations of the company that we're working for and the village of Crestwood. They're really happy with the progress we're making and tons that are going through the plant.
We do use McAllister for the parts, and Saturday we changed the apron tips on the 5260, and I called McAllister and they were closed, but I actually received a phone call back from their parts guy, Tom, and he said, "I'll meet you Monday morning and get you the parts you need so you're running." So I mean, that was really helpful for us, knowing that we could call him on Saturday and Sunday, and he could track down the parts and make them available for us to be able to run on Monday.
It's another good reason to buy from an American company. They're in the States. We don't have to worry about trying to find parts. We know that we can get pretty much anything we need within a day's time if McAllister doesn't have it in stock. We're real happy with the durability of the equipment. It's built really well, heavy duty, not flimsy. IM Crushing has a long history of custom crushing, and we've used Pioneer jaw crushers, Pioneer roll crushers, and Pioneer screen plants for over 20 years. So we knew the history of the company. When we purchased the equipment, we were looking to future jobs also. This is only a 2-year project. We're in that custom crushing business, so we do move equipment around a lot, do recycled concrete and other limestone quarries and sand and gravel pits. So that is a big plus for us. KPI-JCI, American company, they're in the States. We don't have to worry about trying to find parts. We know that we can get pretty much anything we need within a day's time. That really is important to us. The support from KPI-JCI has been awesome. Talk directly to their engineers if we have any questions. They always call back really quick. There's no dumb questions for them. They're really understanding and have helped out